So Daniel, my main man. Again, that's for everybody at home. Help me help them, which may be you, right? Does that make sense? Show me the money. Help me help you, help him to help me help them. If I take this tangent of x plus pi over 4, then what am I doing? Am I going to move it up? Am I going to move it right? Am I going to move it down? Am I going to move it left? Seems like it, right? Because that's what we were thinking, right? But it's not up because it's not the whole function. Remember? Up is the whole function, right? What happens when we're doing just the x? We got to do the opposite because our x's are our x's for a reason, because they did the opposite of what we wanted them to do, right? So this is going to do the opposite of what we want it to do. So we're going to take this whole function, tangent x, right? And we're going to shift it left. How far? Pi over 4. Pi over 4 is half of pi over 2, right? So pi over 4 would be here, right? And so that's where the new asymptote would be, okay? And then, so we'd have another pi over 4 here, and this would go from, wait, it would go to over here, right? So this would be 5 pi over 4, and we would come across, wait, we would come across and down. Right? That makes sense? Is that right? Okay? And then that would be our next asymptote. And then all of these would shift over. Right? So that's problem number 11. Right? And then I said we'd do problem 13 also, right? Because we might as well kill two birds with one stone. So 13 says -2 tangent pi over 2x. Alright. 13 says -2 tangent pi over 2x. Right? Now, do we care what we do to the amplitude? Is that going to matter? -2 times infinity. What is that? Still infinity, right? It's still going to go really high, right? So what we're really caring about is what we're doing out here, the b, right? This is going to give us a new period, okay? So the new period is going to be pi, right, divided by pi over 2, right? Now when we divide that, we're going to flip and multiply it. So what's going to happen is pi times 2 over pi becomes just 2. And our new period becomes 2. So now we just go 1, 2, right? And that'll be our new period. Okay? And it's going to start at 2, right? So this will be our asymptote. And then the new. So what happened was we took it out of pi's. Got rid of our pi's. Okay? Oh.